The index measures a country's capacity to prepare for a pandemic threat. We look at 195 countries and their existing health security capacities. We look at the traditional measures, prevention, detection, and response, but we expand that aperture to look at more of the contextual factors. Essentially, it's a tool to look at the strengths and weaknesses of national level health security capacity. The index is essentially an overarching view of preparedness. It's a tool that's meant to be used by policymakers and decision makers to understand where to best prioritize funds towards addressing gaps in health security capacities. The index lays out multiple recommendations towards decision makers in government and international organizations, as well as philanthropies. It outlines specific areas where funding can be committed to address these health security gaps. Our team of experts is on hand to help countries better understand these recommendations and make more tailored decisions towards addressing these gaps.